Benelli Babu is also here. So just because of him, I got this Insta360 just because of him. So I'm going to use this for all the good footage. It's time to move. Bye. Chalo, thanks.
Thank you.
That's the odometer 25604, and we can see our cars. 7:45 right now. The only concern is we have to beat the traffic of Delhi. So we're gonna take Karnal bypass, and my first stop is going to be the gas station. We cross 50. Okay. Because पेट फुल अब हमारा पेट फुल करना है. We have to fill our stomach now. So let's set to 0. Yes. Trip 0. All set. All right. That's the first trip meter moving. Goes to point 2. This is hell of traffic. Looks like we are just warming up for the trip. Feeling a side traffic to palle baga. बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया traffic है. Got the open route after struggling for 45 minutes. We gotta go to Gulshan Dhaba. Yeah, I'm waiting on the highway. Gulshan Dhaba is quite visible on the. It's a signboard on the left side. It's a big one.
It's located Gulshan Dhaba. It's next to a temple kind of a thing.
Yes.
It's okay. मैं तो बात नहीं हो पाया, but I'm married into Moreh. My wife is from Moreh, and I've been going to Moreh and Manipur for last 30 years.
30 years.
What a pleasure.
So we have to go back again, huh?
Yeah, we will. And Iromba is my favorite dish.
No road trip can start without first halting here.
How are you feeling? The first break.
Yeah.
Today's first break after that crazy drive.
This is mandatory break. No matter what happens,
Yeah.
come high storm or earthquake, aloo pyaj paratha stop out here has to be done.
We started off on an empty stomach, and well, the army doesn't move on an empty stomach. So yeah, so we need to keep filling it up every now and then. Yeah, this break was needed because we went through a bad patch at the moment. So yeah, so this is a much needed break and a good one. And aloo parathas and butter is always a great pickup. So yeah.
How है? अच्छा break था. Today Mathoni. It's time to move. Let's go, and I'll be rolling again. So our target is to reach Chandigarh. अभी time क्या हो रहा है? Well, it's 10, so target is to reach Chandigarh by 1:30. Let's see. Of the day. That's the other car. Quickie. Hey, ID driving with Alok sir and Arti sir enjoying the ride. कितना है? First time?
Oh, no balance.
No balance.
ऐसे तो बहुत टोल आने वाले.
Okay, thank you. All of them have gone up. I'm like stuck driving at 80, 90, not even 100 because I'm not a fast driver, but still trying to cope up with the team. Both the car 1 and car 2, they have already gone up much ahead. Cross the boys. Yo, they were waiting for us. National Institute of Design is on the left. And Kurukshetra we have reached. So far I can see some bikers going to Ladakh. The Dominar and TRK. I'm loving the drive so far. I've tried touch 100 many times but still driving slow as usual. And Arjun is accompanying me, and so उसको वो बोल रहा था नींद आ रहा है, तो बोला नहीं नींद नहीं आ सकता है, गाना गाते रहो. So we have been singing songs काफ़ी टाइम से, so we've been enjoying. So and right now approximately 150 kilometers done from India Gate, from where we started.
100 kilometers to go.
Yeah, so almost. ये है अम्बाला का रेलवे स्टेशन. Ambala Can, Chandigarh, Ludhiana. So basically we have left Haryana. So now we are in Punjab, as we call it, Punjab. So Haryana, and our red car is right there. The road looks like this. Look at the terrain, man. So beautiful. We are in Chandigarh, Panchkula, and our lunch is somewhere here. It's 1:30, and I can see some defense area. Looks like a defense area in Chandigarh, Panchkula. So our cars are right there. So definitely our lunch break's gonna be, and we are on time. Yeah, our target was to reach here by 1, but yeah, we got late due to traffic. But yes, 1:30. So सीधे ने कोई ना चाह दो से lunch से somewhere. Let's see. कोई ममांग दा गाड़ी इसे ले रहे, लोई ले रहे. आई जो खंग दिख जगह से. It's a surprise वो तो नहीं कमाई तो उनको अपना दुनिया एक सिका. So far 250 kilometers था उरे. आपका
The expedition leader.
Wonderful, yeah, good.
अभी उस वक्त तो बात नहीं करता था मेरे से.
मैं सबसे बात करता था यार. These guys still call me sir यार.
Sir, when did you guys meet last?
In NDA. After that, we haven't met. I am in the Air Force. Our father was in the Air Force. As he was in army.
So we meeting after 1967.
Yes. 1967 now. More than 50 years.
Tremendous.
more than 50 years.
He remembers me as the
Wow.
bad guy in India.
Bad guy? अरे he was our ideal.
नाक में दम कर रखा था.
अरे he commanded the parade.
तो करते थे यार तो
और फिर
बचपन में.
अरे he was our boss. ये हमारा कमांडर था. हम उससे उधर एनडीए में बात नहीं करते थे.
हाँ, फेलो थे यार ये सब.
अभी तो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ इससे. उस वक्त कैसे बात करते? एसीए अकेडमी कैडेट कैसे बात करोगे?
True, very true.
That was childhood. You were 17
What
years
childhood,
old.
yeah.
18 years old.
Still, you are still young.
Of course we're young. We
Of
are.
course, and I also feel I'm still young.
Absolutely, sir. So with a beer in your hand, you're always young.
There's some light. नहीं आ रहा है लाइट.
एक मिनट.
ओए ते लूज है. हो गया. थैंक यू एडी बॉस. गुड वन. अरे यार I was scared man. I was scared.
Blow the horn 5 times.
हो गया. Good one. All right, it's time to move. हमको भी रोको. हमको रोको. लेफन गए भाई. लेट्स सी क्या बोलता है. हाँ जी सर, कहाँ से आ रहे हो सर? हम लोग दिल्ली से आ रहे हैं. इसकी यार ये महिंद्रा वाले ने दिया. हाँ जी, महिंद्रा वालों ने हमको स्पॉन्सर करिए. तो महिंद्रा वालों का आपको बोलना चाहिए ना एंटी प्लेट वाली. तो जैसे वो पीछे वाली थी एंटी प्लेट. 3 गाड़ी है आपको एंटी विदाउट एंटी प्लेट दी है. वो अब जो हमारे हेड डॉक्यूमेंट्स कहाँ गाड़ी के? उनसे हेड से बात कीजिए ना. वो हेड है हमारे जो 2 हैं.
भैया के नंबर प्लेट के लिए आपको कोई रोक के ये पर्ची निकालते रहना. और इसका पोल्यूशन करवा लेना भाई.
थैंक यू.
पोल्यूशन खत्म है. 10,000 का फाइन है पोल्यूशन का. 100 रुपये पर्ची का.
500 का चालान लग गया, 500 रुपीज़। On the beaches. See, I've been driving on the plane. No, suddenly going on the up, I have to get used to it. So just trying, and just switch to gear 3 from gear 2. Let's see. I switched off the AC, but yeah, I'm gonna switch it on after some time. तो हवा खाएंगे हमारे का? हम तो हवा खाते हैं. Yeah. So it's raining outside, so let's have some clean hawa. Thought welcome to HP was a good start, but this is not a good start, man. Welcome to HP with this bad traffic. Crazy, man. It's not moving at all. It's moving like snail. 6th toll of the day. Tiring, man. Driving on in the hills. Wade. They've gone ahead of us. Let's see. Waiting for us. Thank you. Thank you very much. Alright, we have reached Solan. Beautiful, man. See, सामने का scene देखो ना. It looks so good, Solan. Looks like this is going to be a tea break.
It's been going great guns. The drive has been nice and smooth, and we've been driving since 7:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
Couple of breaks, but yes, overall it's been a good drive and a pleasure to be with this wonderful team. Great going. The cars have performed well.
Great. Yep. So it's a tea break now, just before it gets dark.
It's a small tea break, just to ease out the tired limbs and the aching backs.
Aching backs. My back is aching.
And as you know, the average age of the team is 61 years.
61 years.
And it is not higher than 61. It is only because Devson is here. He's young.
How's the turn, the hilly roads?
The best is yet to come.
Best is yet to come.
And the worst is yet to come.
Yeah, this is just starting.
Tomorrow, day after. There was a time when I used to start taking photographs and videos from 30 kilometers away.
Yeah.
Now I don't do a single photographic click. It's all boring part. The 4-lane highways are boring.
So this is just the boring part. The best part is going to come, so you have to stay tuned for that. So we're just shooting some reels for Instagram. For reels you have to follow on Instagram. I'm gonna put that in description. So yay! It's in Solan only. So where are we staying?
We'll look for a place.
From?
अभी यहाँ से we'll before sunset we'll look for a place
Okay, on the way.
on the way.
Yeah.
We don't want to go towards Shimla because it's chaotic and we have a better route alternative.
Right.
So and today's it's going to be. I don't want to tax ourselves there.
Sorry, Shimla, this time. We'll come back again. So we'll be. Let's see. Idea has spoken. So, Akhuize Shidagi, Chathaga, another 10 minutes, 20 minutes, Thaudarani, then Ammam Dringaida. Anywhere, Amma Jagamda Koi cannot tell you Lairani, Mum Dringaida. So, it's gonna be fun.
Has anyone Has anyone heard a song called Sakku Bhai?
Comment down below. Comment if you know it.
Pee lo na garam garam chai.
That's it.
It's a damn peppy song, yeah.
Yeah, that's a starting. Pee lo na garam garam chai. Why so worried, Auntie sir?
Yeah, my luggage is in Gurgaon.
इसमें छोड़ दे यहाँ पे.
Luggage has been left in Gurgaon in Delhi, so we have to do something for it because we cannot go ahead. Magi port ke dele horeba. Aduna Gurgaon ta Delhi da. Aduna mamang ka ba ya horeba. Aduna ye ngasi kamai to no ngasi disi le rani. Koi later say we are staying here. This is 7 heaven. Looks like this is the room for tonight. Finally, we'll be staying in a hill station. Day one.
Sponsored food, which is pre-prepared. It is supplied to the Indian Army.
Okay.
So
one.
MV, I don't know what MV means. One means maybe breakfast, lunch, dinner. 1, 2, 3, 1. So maybe then there is some mystery to it.
Yeah, we have to
Yeah.
check.
Oh, these are chapatis.
These are ginger chai. Pohal. Yeah. We similar to the one which we get in Indigo, na? Garam karo.
Oh.
7 minutes mein. Yeah, 5 minutes mein ready.
Granule beans.
Granule beans.
Achha, so what you do is you open it from top and just put the water into that one.
Yeah.
I guess, no?
Yeah, this. Chi halwa.
Then this is
Veg pulao.
mixed
vegetable.
Dal makhani.
I'm sure the spoons and knives are also edible.
Good one, sir. Good one. Dinner is ready with the ready-made food.
This is not bad at all. It's
Not bad?
very nice, yeah. And he was saying, in emergency, just cut the packet, eat directly.
Oh.
Just cut the packet and eat that.
हाँ ठंडा भी खा सकता है क्या दिक्कत है गर्म नहीं
ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर पे पेट में फूल जाएगा ज्यादा गैस होगा तो फिर बात हो जाएगा
So we have two GoPro 10 for tomorrow. We just unboxed. One is a Luxor's and one is Aries. So let's just try to fix it so that we can use it tomorrow.
Explorer.
Chalo, good night, Ari.
Right there, son.
Right.
जोधपुर में मिलेंगे तुम्हारे?
Yeah.
See, brother.
Ari,
Hello.
keep exploring the world एक बार.
Keep exploring.
Yeah.
This explorer. Keep exploring.
Yeah. What a day. It was amazing, man. Tinin nungai kasi. Thank you so much for watching till now and stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be great because we're going to hit Manali. Video's going to be more beautiful because I might not be driving, but I may be driving, but yeah, I might sit on the side so that I could film better video. But let's see, everything's going to be fine. Hey guys, mayam nungai biram kin thazai nungai ragadi like am to biramo aduga another subscribe to biramo ngasi vlog sai losilasi. So keep loving, keep exploring. Dips in the Explorer signing off and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Mayam matangi vlog tum tingers. Bye bye. Ah, what a feeling, man! Manipuri flag. Salai Tarit.